Bitcoin here taking out the 44K range high for pretty much the fifth attempt, right? So 1, 2, 3 with the kind of false breakout, so to speak, and then ETF and then related sell-off, via the GBTC outflows, presumably about 20% decline there. So fifth try. We had a Friday surprise a few weeks back there with a nice reclaim of what would have been a break of the 9-week EMA, exponential moving average. So curious to see if we're going to play similar games here this week and have another Friday surprise. Looking for possible resistance in through this 46.3K area, top of your sort of breakdown bar there. Stocks, on the other hand, grinding up nicely along the 9-day moving average, just seemingly pretty unstoppable there. TNX still holding to that idea of 420 highs, still kind of keeping price pinned there, or rates pinned rather. So about 5 taps roughly if we're counting some of these lower candles. So just not wanting to see any violent move out of the 420 area for a renewed push higher. Could prove problematic for risk assets and maybe give a little bit of a February breather there. In terms of dollar itself as well, kind of very big pop on Friday. And then bull flag consolidation along this left shoulder high, 104 type area and ascending daily 9 EMA. So price pattern would put it roughly, 3 points range. Added to the neckline there of 104 gets you to the 107. Makes sense on the chart. Hopefully we don't see it too quickly, too violently in such a way that kind of shakes confidence in risk assets. I guess just to nominally mention here, MSTR, earnings were 2 days ago. You'll see it also on the miners as well, but just huge update, 15%, pretty nice, right? Kind of little euphoric on the break of that 44K range. So hoping it sticks in a sense of for short-term momentum, otherwise expecting perhaps more pull. And we're getting the fits and starts on Solana just from a trend line perspective. Drew this sort of nasty looking range flag type deal and just bouncing around it, right? So it just really speaks to consolidation sideways through time more than in price, but no real clean breaks. Link did break out earlier, I want to say this week, at that 17 level, and again just connecting wick highs. Just it should be actually your indicator of a sort of zone to chill out in, right? Where you might either take profits or initiate a shorts if you're ultra aggressive. But we have the rising 9-week EMA, so looking for a possible playthrough to the long side, upside rather. But it's really just dancing around, consolidating sideways still here for the time being. Yep, that'll do it for today. See ya.